Hello and welcome to Easy Steps Cooking. Today I will show how I prepare this chickpea farinata or faina. So this is a very easy recipe and is ideal to accompany pizzas. I will use this chickpea flour with no gluten. And now we are going to add spices. I will put onion powder. Now the pepper. You can add the spice that you like. Now a little bit of salt, the water, the olive oil, 3 tablespoons, okay, and that's it. Now we need to mix very well until we have something like this. There must be a mixture without lumps. Now we will put plenty of olive oil in a baking dish, and we will put it in the oven like 10 minutes, 180 degrees, until it's very hot. And I will put half of the mixture that we have, just half, the other half is for later. We will spread and cover the entire surface like this and cook for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes is okay until it's like this, and then we can put the ham and the cheese in the middle. And when it's ready, we put the other half of the mixture on the top, and we will return to the oven to cook for about 15-20 minutes until it's golden on the surface like this, and it's ready. This is how faina or farinata has to look. It is very tasty and very good to accompany the pizza. So please, if you like, thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next video.